Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hdsthanbang, and you are watching the Karbi reaction video channel. Today I'm going to show you the African comedians. Here you see, and I think they have many subscribers and many videos in the channel, and they are very comedians. I watch them many videos, and whenever I watch them I got a lot of excited and happiness and free from all my anxieties and my worries whenever I watch them. And also these people, they act, they are not speaking, but simply without the words they act it and make many people happy. So I thought of reacting the video in my channel so that those who are my subscribers and those who are my viewers also can watch this video. So today I am bringing their videos. Here you see these are the guys. They made a lot of fun. They put a smile on their face. So friends, keep on watching this video. I will be showing to you these videos, and now I'll show you how I introduce you. I introduce today, and keep on watching. And I hope if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more video like this. And actually it is that friends, that if we are getting many viewers and subscribers, and we are also very happy to make the videos, but if we are not getting the subscriber and not getting the viewer, then I'm also not happy to make a video. So I request you, please subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel, then I don't have any subscriber, but I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Today in this video I am showing you that these these are the guys who make us very every time happy. He's a mason, mystery. He's a hard working fellow. This is another guy. He removes everything. Look. Wow, he's destroying everything. But this fellow is happy that he already made that. No bro, don't destroy. Where is going this guy? You know what will happen next? He met the owner. He informed that he finished the work. The owner gave the money, and he invited to go and see either what he made or not. This clever fellow. He destroy everything and follow them back. Look. It's going. Oh my god, everything destroyed. Look, he made a straight, but now that fellow destroyed. What a straight line, bro, you made. Ah, he's crying. Oh. Yeah, check what you did. What will be the reaction of the owner? He took the money back and give to that fellow. The owner told that person do not know how to make, so he gives to another person. He is a cheater. Oh. Betrayer, friends. Look this fellow, how he put. He's very happy and dancing. He's starting. You see, this is African dance style. Oh yeah, this is their channel name. You can visit their channel. Okay, bye guys. Today video is only this much, and Guys, these are they are very funny, and I used to watch them from before. But then now I thought of making the reaction to their videos and bring to this here my channel, so that all my viewers and my subscribers also can watch my videos which I used to watch. Because I am thinking that you and me, we are not a different person, but we are same now. This in this Karbi reaction, we are in a family, so we are the brothers here. So I hope you like this video, and please leave your comment about this video, so that if you like, then I will be bringing more reaction video from that channel. And if you want to visit their channel, I will give the link in the description, and you can visit. Actually, these guys are very funny, and whenever you are feeling sad or something, you can watch these their videos, so that will help you to forget all your problems and your worries. Okay guys, keep watching, and keep supporting me. I will be bringing the next video from that channel, and also I will be searching the next different channel and bring to you here. So guys, see you at the next time. Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah.